Hi everyone, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to this video. So we'll study about the polynomials today in class 9 NCERT. We'll solve some questions from exercise 2.1 and 2.2. We'll learn about zeros of the polynomial, different types of polynomial, degree of a polynomial, coefficients, variables, so on. So let us begin. Now, about the definitions, polynomials are all algebraic expressions that consist of variables as well as the coefficients. And these variables are also called as your indeterminates. But all the algebraic expression are not the polynomials. Let us take some example. If I write y plus 5, this is a polynomial of variable your y. I can write x square plus x plus 3. This is also a polynomial. It is in variable your x. I can write 3x square minus 5 plus x cube. This is also a polynomial. But if I write y plus 1 by y, it is not a polynomial. Now why? Because polynomial are those algebraic expression when this powers of the variables power of the variables should be a whole number, is to be a whole number, is to be a whole number. It cannot be negative and it cannot be a fraction. If I write root x plus x, it is not a polynomial because root x means x to the power half. So it has the power your fraction. It will not be a your polynomial. Similarly, y plus 1 by y, if I'll write again, it will be same as 1 by y means y plus y to the power minus 1. So it is not a whole number. So this is not a polynomial. So polynomial, how we write the polynomial, we write symbolizes px means polynomial in variable x. Similarly, py, variable y, it is written as px is equal to a0 x to the power n, a1 x to the power n minus 1, a2 x to the power n minus 2, so on, an minus 2x square, an minus x, an. That means you must have noticed that gradually the power is decreased. That means we write in the standard form, first the power of the x is maximum, variable is maximum, then gradually decreases. I'm taking one example, it will be understood better. If I write px is equal to 5 x to the power 4, then I'll go for x to the power 3. Then I'll go for x to the power 2. In the standard form, gradually we write the decreasing order of the power. Then your x, at last we write your constant. So this is the standard way of writing. Now what is a0? Meaning of a0 is the constant, which is your with x to the power 4. Similarly, this will be called as a1. This will be called as a2 with the negative sign. And here nothing is there given means it is 1. So these are the values. And an is here 5. And what is x here? Here x is there, but it is x to the power 0. So this is the meaning of writing the polynomial. What we write the power in decreasing order. Next I'm coming to terms of this polynomial. What are the terms of polynomial? The polynomial px in one variable, x is a algebraic expression in this form. This a0xn, this is one term of this polynomial. This is another terms. This is another terms, third term, so on. There is so many terms in between. I cannot see all the terms, but we can write if it is all the terms as given. So this is the last term. So these are called the terms. Each is a terms. For example, I am taking another example. Py is equal to 3x to the power 4 minus 2x cube plus x plus 5. What are the terms? 3x to the 4 is a term, minus 2x cube another term, x is another term, 5 is another term. So there are 4 terms here. These are called terms. But don't ignore this sign before the term, that will be included in the term only. Next is coefficients. Coefficients are, let me write the headings, coefficients of polynomial. Coefficients are a0. That means a0 is the coefficient of x to the power n. a1 is coefficient of x to the power n minus 1. a2 is the coefficient of x to the power n minus 2, so on. Let me take the example. Px is equal to x square minus x plus 5. That means if the question is what is the coefficients of x square, it is only 1. Coefficient of x, it is minus 1. Nothing is given means it is 1. Here it will be minus 1. This negative cannot be ignored. And what is the coefficient of x to the power 0? This is equal to 5. So last one, that is also coefficient. Whose coefficient is this? This is x to the power 0. Next is coming to degree. Degree is the degree of polynomial is the highest power. Is the highest power of the polynomial. You have to identify which one is the highest. If I write x to the power 4 plus 3x square plus 5x, then what is the highest power? Highest power is 4 here. So 4 is the degree. 4 is degree. If I write x minus x cube plus 3x to the power 5, it may not be in order, but you have to identify where is the maximum. So here 5 is degree of this polynomial. I hope it is clear. So we have cleared about your terms, then your coefficients, then your degree. And I know you have already read this in lower classes, but still I revised. Next, coming to questions. Examples. Polynomial is px is equal to x cube minus 2x square plus 3x plus 4. What are the terms? One term is x cube, one is minus 2x square, one is 3 times of x, one is 4. There are 4 terms. What is degree? Degree is 3. The highest power is 3 is the degree. Now, polynomial, types of polynomial. How you can categorize the polynomial. One is monomial, which has only one term. For example, x, for example, 3y. These are the monomial. A polynomial to having 2 terms is binomial. Binomial is x square plus 3. Binomial can be 3y plus 5. Binomial can be 5z q plus 5z. That is a binomial. And the polynomial having 3 terms is called trinomial. X square plus x plus 4. This is a trinomial. X to the power 5 plus x to the power 3 plus x. This is also a trinomial. Next examples. Let us take some more example. Monomial x 3y 29 x by 2. Binomials are x square plus x, 2 terms are there, x cube minus 2x, 2 terms are there, y plus 2, 2 terms are there. And you must have noticed that the only polynomial is, we say when they have in the same variable, equal variable. Here is 3 terms are your x square plus 2x plus 20. I can take again another example, x cube plus x square minus x. This is also a trinomial. तो एक होने से मोनोमियल, 2 होने से बाइनोमियल, 3 होने से ट्राइनोमियल. Similarly, a polynomial, it can be classified according to the degree also. According to the degree, we can name a polynomial according to degree. If it is degree 1, that it is linear polynomial. For example, x plus 3, y minus 2, z plus 3z plus 5. These are the linear polynomial. Polynomial degree 2. Degree 2 means x square plus 1, maybe y square minus 4, maybe 2y square plus y. These are the plus 3. These are the quadratic polynomial if degree 2. A polynomial degree 3 is called cubic. Degree 3, x cube plus x square plus 1. This is your cubic polynomial, degree 3. X cube, this is also cubic polynomial. Y cube plus y, cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial again may be monomial, maybe binomial, maybe trinomial, but they are counted as degree. Next is constant polynomial. So division, one is constant or zero polynomial. Here degree is 0, that means 6 means it has 6x to the power 0. So degree is 0 or constant. This is called constant polynomial. No variable is there. Linear polynomial 3x plus 1, 2y minus 3. It has degree 1. Quadratic polynomial degree 2, 4x square plus x plus 1. Cubic polynomial degree 3, x to the cube, highest power is 3. Then quartic polynomial degree 4, x to the 4x cube x t. तो डिग्री अगर पावर 0 होगा हम इसको कांस्टेंट बोलेंगे, पावर 1 होगा कुछ नहीं है मतलब 1 ही है, z प्लस 5 मीन्स z 1 टू द पावर 5 प्लस 5, तो ये लीनियर बोलेंगे. जहाँ पावर 2 होगा उसको हम क्वाड्रेटिक बोलेंगे, जहाँ पावर 3 होगा इसको क्यूबिक बोलेंगे, जहाँ 4 होगा वो क्वार्टिक बोलेंगे. और उसके बाद हम जनरली कुछ बोलते नहीं है, उसको 5th डिग्री 6th डिग्री बोलते जाते हैं. अभी क्वेश्चंस पे आते हैं. Let us come to the questions. Exercise 2.1. Which of the following expressions are polynomial of one variable? First, the condition it should be a polynomial, then it should be in one variable. If there will be x, only x. If there will be y, only y. And state reasons for the answer. So coming to first one. 4x square minus 3x plus 7. Yes, it is a polynomial. And it is in one variable. So yes, 4x square minus 3x plus 7, it is your polynomial of 1 degree, one variable. Coming to 2, y square plus root 2. Yes, it is a polynomial in one variable. Third one, is it? No, because root 2 means t to the power half. So this is not a polynomial. Not a polynomial. What is the logic? Here the power is not a whole number. Fourth, this one, no, because y to the power minus 1 is there. So again, it's not a polynomial. As this is what? Y plus 2 to the power, y to the power minus 1. So power is not a whole number. Fifth one. This is a polynomial, but not in one variable. There are many variables. X is there, y is there, t is there. So not in one variable. So I hope you have understood. Third one, T means this is your not whole number. Okay, question number 2. Write the coefficients of x square in each of the following. You have to write only the coefficients of x square. x square के आगे जो है उसी को लिखना है. क्या है? कुछ नहीं है, मतलब 1. So first is coefficient of x square is 1. Second one, it will be -1. Coefficient of x square is -1. Third one, what is coefficient? It is pi by 2. Fourth one, there is no x square term. Is there any x square? No. That means it is 0. So coefficient of x square is 0. Finished. 3. Give one example of each. Binomial of degree 35, monomial of degree 100. I hope you can give thousands of examples. Binomial means there will be 2 terms and degree will be 35. So it can be x to the power 5 plus 2. It can be y to the power 35 plus y. It can be z to the power 35 plus your z, 2z. Anything you can write. Second one is monomial degree 100. It can be x to the power 100. It can be y to the power 100. It can be t to the power 100. It can be z to the power 100. Right? Thousands of examples. 4. Write the degree of each of the polynomial. I hope you can write yourself now. What is the degree? This is the maximum. Degree is 3. Second one, degree 2. Third one, degree 1. Fourth one, is there any xyz? No. That means hidden. Either maybe it may be 3 to x to the 0, maybe 3y to the power 0, but degree is 0. So when there is a constant term, it is degree 0. 5. Classify the following as linear, quadratic, cubic polynomials. First one, x square plus x. Is the degree 3? No. So this is degree 1. Linear means degree 1. Quadratic means degree 2. Cubic means degree 3. I hope you can write yourself now. First one is quadratic. Second one, yes, cubic. Third one, correct, quadratic. Fourth one, oh yes, it is linear. Fifth one, yes, linear. Sixth one, quadratic. Seventh one, correct. It is cubic. Next is 0 of a polynomial. 0 of polynomial. This is another concept of polynomial. What is 0 of the polynomial? Every linear polynomial in one variable has a unique 0. A non-zero constant polynomial has no 0, and even real number is a 0 of the polynomial. Though it seems to be a complicated sentence, but it is not that difficult to understand. What is it? That means if I will take a linear polynomial, for example, x minus 1, it has a unique 0. What is unique 0? That means x has unique value. For what? X has a unique value for which this polynomial px, x minus 1 becomes 0. एक लीनियर इक्वेशन पॉलिनोमियल में x का एक वैल्यू है जिसके लिए पूरा पॉलिनोमियल 0 हो जाएगा, वो 0 को हम बोलते हैं 0 ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल. सो 0 ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल is a value for which the polynomial becomes 0. For example, when this x minus 1 will become 0, when x is 0, x is 1. If I'll put x is equal to 1, then I'm getting x minus 1 is 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So this px, the polynomial, is becoming 0 at x is equal to 1. So px is 0 at x is equal to 1. So we say 1 is 0 of polynomial px, x is equal to x minus 1. Similarly, if px is equal to x plus 1, px is equal to x plus 1, when it will become 0? If I'll put x is equal to minus 1, it will put x px is equal to minus 1 plus 1, it will become 0. So x is equal to minus 1 is 0. This is the meaning of this. Now, how to know? We'll test. We'll put the value in this expression. If it is becoming 0, then it's 0. If it is not becoming 0, then it is not 0. For which we have to get the value of this polynomial at different values. For px, x is equal to 0. For x, x is equal to 1. For x is equal to 2. So to check when it is becoming 0. So we'll learn now how to put the values, different values in a polynomial. This is a question based on this. Find the value of this polynomial 5x minus 4x square plus 3 at x equal to 0, at x equal to minus 1, at x equal to is equal to 2. So for each part of the question, I'll put the value in the x in the polynomial. What is the polynomial? Polynomial is 5x minus 4x square plus 3. First I'll test when x is equal to 0, what is the value of this? It will becomes 5 into 0 minus 4 into 0 square plus 3. 5 into 0 is 0. 4 into 0 square is again 0 and plus 3. So what is the value of this? Value of the expression is 3. So polynomial becomes 3 at your x is equal to 0. So is it 0? No. Second, x is equal to minus 1. So I'll write the same expression. In place of x, I'll put minus 1. So it will be 5 into minus 1 minus 4 into minus 1 square plus 3. So 5 into minus 1 is minus 5. Minus 1 whole square is plus 1 because minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. Plus 1 into minus 4 is minus 4 plus 3. Now minus 5 minus 4, it will simplify minus 9 plus 3, that will be minus 6. This is the value of this polynomial. Third one, x is equal to 2. So I'll write 5 multiplies 2 minus 4 into 2 square plus 3. 5 into 10, 10 minus 2 square is 4. 4 into 4, 16 plus 3. So this will be how much? You will simplify this way, minus 6 plus 3 minus 3. So the value of the polynomial at x equal to 2 is minus 3. Now question number 2. Find P0, P1, P2 for this polynomial. There are 4 parts. One is Py is equal to y square minus y plus 1. Pt is equal to 2 plus tt square minus t cube. Px is this, P4 is this. That means there are 4 parts. Again, there are subparts. First, in place of 1, you will put 0. In place of y, you will put 1. In place of y, you will put 2. So let us do one by one. First is I'm taking py is equal to, that means this is polynomial in variable y, py. First I'll write p0. P0 means I'll put 0 in place of y. So 0 square minus 0 plus 1. How much is the answer? 1. Next I'll go for p1. P1 is, I'll put 1 square minus 1 plus 1. It will simplify, it will be 1 again. Next I'll put p is equal to 2, p2. p2 means y में फिर से मैं 2 बिठाऊंगी. So this will be 2 square minus 2 plus 1. 2 square is 4. 4 minus 2, 2 plus 1, 3. So first part is over. Coming to second part. In second part, I'll put pt is equal to 2 plus t minus 2t square minus 2q. First I'll take p0. Same thing, 0, 1, 2. p0 means in place of t, I'll put 0. So 2, 0 minus 2 into 0 square minus 0 cube. What is the answer? 0, 0, 0, 2 is the answer. Next I'll go for p1. Same, in place of t, I'll put 1. So 2 plus 1 minus 2 into 1 square minus 1 cube. So this will be 2 plus 1, that is 3. This will be minus 2 minus 1. How much you are getting? You are getting 0. Next I'll go for P2. P2 will be how much? P2 is equal to 2 plus t is equal to 2 again plus 2 into t square, 2 square minus 2 cube. You can simplify yourself. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 8 minus 8. Cancel, answer is 4. So second part is over. Coming to third part. Third part is px is equal to x cube. First I'll go for p0. p0 means 0 cube. 0 cube is 0. Next I'll go for p1. p1 means 1 cube. 1 cube is 1. Then p2. p2 is 2 cube. 2 cube is 8. 2 into 2 into 2. Then coming to fourth part. Fourth part is px is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 1. First is what? P0. In place of x, I'll put 0. So 0 minus 1 into 0. Sorry, this is plus. 0 plus 1. So this will be minus 1 into plus 1. That will be minus 1. P1. P1 is 1 minus 1 into 1 plus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 into 2 is 0. P2. P2 will be 2 minus 1 into 2 plus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1 into 3. The answer is 3. Next, verify whether these following are zeros of this polynomial, indicate against them. You have to test, this is the polynomial. You have to test whether x is equal to minus 3, 1 by 3. Is this 0 of the polynomial or not? That means when I'll put x is equal to minus 3, it should be 0. कैसे टेस्ट करेंगे? x के जगह पे -1/3 डालेंगे. अगर px का वैल्यू पूरा 0 हो जाएगा तो ये जीरोज है, तो x के जगह पे डालते हैं. तो व्हाट आई राइट हियर? आई राइट p -1/3 इज इक्वल टू 3 into -1/3 plus 1. Now simplify. 3 into -1/3 is -1. 3 3 कट जाएगा. Plus 1 is 0. So -1/3 is 0 of your px is equal to 3x plus 1. First part is over. Now coming to second part. Second part मैं यहाँ लिख रही हूँ. I am writing here px is equal to x square plus 1. Here there are two parts. First I'll write whether 1 is a 0. Next I'll write whether -1 is a 0. So first I'm writing p1. p1 is equal to 1 square. x के जगह पे 1 डालूंगी. -1. 1 का square is 1. -1 is 0. Yes. So 1 is 0 of your px. Second one, I am taking now p -1. तो -1 का square -1. -1 का square 1 -1 again 0. So -1 is 0 of px. दोनों हो गया. -1 भी 0 +1 भी 0. तो इसीलिए zeros of the polynomial. Second part हो गया. It's not second part, third part. Then coming to fifth part. Fifth part is px is equal to x square. We have to test whether x is equal to 0 is a 0 or not. So I'll write p0. p0 is 0 square. 0 square is 0. So what is the conclusion? Yes, 0 is 0 of your px is equal to x square. Then your seventh part. px is equal to 3x square plus -1. Now there are two values, one is -1/√3, one is 2/√3. I'll put both. First I'm writing p -1/√3. That means in place of x, I'll put -1/√3. So this will be -1/√3 square. -1. What is -1/√3 square? It will be same as 1/3. 3 into 1/3, 1 -1 is 0. So -1/√3 is a 0. Now coming to second one. Which one? 2/√3. So I'll write 3 into 2/√3 square minus 1. 2/√3 square is your 4/3 minus 1. Is it equal to 0? No. So what I'll write? So 2/√3 is not a 0 of 3x square minus 1. Coming to other part, same questions. Now px is equal to 5x minus pi, x is equal to 4/5. So I'll write p 4/5. So this will be 5 into 4/5 minus pi. Is it equal to 0? 4 minus pi? No. It's not equal to 0. So what is the conclusion? 4/5 is not 0 of px is equal to 5x minus pi. First part is over. Now coming to fourth part. px is equal to x plus 1 into x minus 2. First I'm taking p minus 1. I'll test minus 1, I'll test 2 times. So I'll put minus 1 plus 1, x minus 2. Minus 1 plus 1, you know, 0. And in place of x again, minus 1. So it will be how much? It will be 0 into anything is your 0. So p minus 1 becoming 0. So minus 1 is a 0. Now coming to 2, p2. p2 is equal to x 2 plus 1 into 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 is again 0. So 3 into 0 is 0. That means 2 is 0 of px. So here both are 0. Coming to sixth one. So in place of x, I'll put minus m by l. So L into minus m by l plus m. So this LL cancel, minus L plus minus M plus M is 0. So what is the conclusion? Minus M by L is 0 of Px. Now coming to eighth part. I'm writing eighth part here. Px is equal to 2x plus 1. So I'll take P 1 by 2. In place of x, I'll put 1 by 2. So 2 into 1 by 2 plus 1. So it will be 1 plus 1. Is it 0? No, it's not 0. So what is your conclusion? P half is not 0 of 2x plus 1. Next is, again, question is find 0 of the polynomial. Find 0 of this polynomial. So previously we are testing or checking. Here we'll find the 0. So what to do? We'll make whole polynomial is 0 and we'll find the value of x as we do in linear equations. Linear equation की तरह पहले हम इसको 0 बना देंगे, बना के x का वैल्यू निकालेंगे, उसी के लिए वो 0 होगा ही. एक एक करके लिखते हैं. So px is equal to x plus 5, हम इसको 0 लिख देंगे. तो x क्या मिलेगा? 5 को इधर ले लेंगे, जैसे लिनियर इक्वेशन सॉल्व करते हैं, x का वैल्यू निकालते हैं, वो ये इसका 0. जो भी x का वैल्यू निकलेगा यही है 0. तो हम लिखेंगे सो माइनस 5 इज 0. ये हो गया फर्स्ट पार्ट. कमिंग टू सेकेंड पार्ट. इसको भी ऐसे करेंगे. क्या है? पी एक्स इज इक्वल टू एक्स माइनस 5 इज 0. तो x का वैल्यू क्या आएगा? x इक्वल टू 5 आ रहा है, तो क्या लिखेंगे? 5 is 0. 5 is 0 of px is equal to x minus 5. Third part. Px is equal to 2x plus 5. 0. तो 2x is equal to कितना हो रहा है? माइनस 5. 5 इधर शिफ्ट हो जाएगा. x क्या हो रहा है ना? माइनस 5 बाई 2. तो लिखेंगे कि माइनस 5 बाई 2 is 0 of px is equal to 2x plus 5. Fourth one, px is equal to 3x minus 2. I hope you can try yourself. This is equal to 0 implies that 3x is equal to 2. This implies that x is equal to 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 is 0. Fifth part, px is equal to 3x. 3x is 0 or x is equal to 0. That means 0 is 0. 0 is 0 of px is equal to 3x. Sixth one, px is equal to ax. So ax is equal to 0. Ax is 0 means x is 0. 0 by a is 0 or a 0. So 0 is 0 of px is equal to ax. Coming to last one, seventh one. Px is equal to cx plus d. Here c, d are real numbers. So this is 0. We'll write cx is equal to minus d, or x is equal to minus d by c. So what is the answer? Minus d by c is 0 of px is equal to cx plus d. Next, which of the write the correct answer for the following. Some MCQ questions, it is not inside the textbook, some out from outside. You can practice, you can pause the video, you can write yourself if possible, otherwise you can check the answer. Which one of the following is a polynomial? Which is a polynomial? Is it a polynomial? No, because it has x as a negative. Is this polynomial? No, because x is root. It is not a polynomial. Is it a polynomial? Let us check. So x square plus this is 3 x to the power 3 by 2, and here x to the power half. You will simplify. It will be, you know that when division takes place, the power is subtracted. 3 by 2 minus half. 3 by 2 से हाफ माइनस करने से हमको क्या मिलेगा? हमको एक x मिलेगा, तो ये पॉलिनोमियल होगा. सो दिस इज ए पॉलिनोमियल. ये पॉलिनोमियल होगा? नहीं होगा, क्योंकि x नीचे है, तो ये पॉलिनोमियल नहीं होगा. सो सी इज द आंसर. Root 2 is a polynomial of degree what? Root 2 of degree 2, degree 0, degree 1, degree half. Root 2 means उसके आगे कहाँ है x? Where is x? X is not there, means x is 0 degree. So it is a degree 0. Next is degree of the polynomial is x to the power 4, 0x cube, 0x5, 5x plus 7. What is the degree of this? It will be degree 4. We cannot consider when it is not there in the picture. So this will be degree 4. Degree of zero polynomial. Zero polynomial जो है उसका डिग्री कितना है? Zero polynomial. What is zero polynomial? Zero polynomial means anything x to the power 0. इसका डिग्री क्या होगा? It cannot be not zero polynomial means just a zero. Zero polynomial. ओके. जीरो पॉलिनोमियल मीन्स जीरो, जीरो के साथ ये एक्स में कुछ भी रह सकता है, हमको क्या मालूम? तो इसीलिए इट विल बी नॉट डिफाइंड. नेक्स्ट इज पी एक्स इज इक्वल टू एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 2 रूट 2 एक्स प्लस 1. पी 2 रूट 2 इज इक्वल टू ऑप्शन 0, 1, 4 रूट 2, 8 रूट 2 प्लस 1. दैट मीन्स अब पी के पी एक्स के जगह पे हम 2 रूट 2 डालेंगे, ठीक से डालेंगे. तो 2 रूट 2 का स्क्वायर माइनस 2 रूट 2 इंटू फिर एक्स के जगह पे 2 रूट 2 प्लस 1. सो दिस विल बी 2 रूट 2 स्क्वायर. ये भी माइनस 2 रूट 2 स्क्वायर हो जाएगा 2 टाइम्स. सो दे विल बी ऑल कैंसल. व्हाट विल द आंसर? आंसर विल बी 1. सो बी इज आंसर. Now the value of this polynomial 5x minus 4x square plus 3 when x equal to minus 1 is. So x के जगह पे हम minus 1 डालेंगे. Put x equal to minus 1. So 5 into minus 1 minus 4 into minus 1 का square plus 3. So this will be minus 5. How much will be this? Plus 1 minus 4 plus 3. So this will be minus 9 plus 3 minus 6 is the answer. Thank you for watching. Next time we will go for factor theorem and remainder theorem. And do some more revisions, more practice, and keep on watching. Thank you and have a nice time.